Hey everyone, this is Natasha from Divon Creations, and today I'm bringing you a quick plan with me using my monthly sticker sheets that I created and printed last night. And I decided to go ahead and make a short video just to show you how they turned out. Now, it's not available to purchase, but you can purchase this awesome girl that you see here. She is available to purchase on my Etsy shop. Please check out the description below for all important links. Now, I'm not going to do much talking today, so please sit back, relax, and enjoy this quick plan with me. And if you're not subscribed, please hit the subscription button and the little bell so that you don't miss any future videos. Remember, you can always find me on social media at Divon Creations or at Natasha Divon on Instagram. All right, y'all. As always, I appreciate you. So sit back, relax, and enjoy. If you've made it this far in my plan with me, I just want to say thank you. I hope you are enjoying my video. Please continue to watch to see the final outcome at the end.